Here's my early style porter cable, rototiller tag, factory wheel weights. Picked it up out of New York for $300. Transmission's shot. Steering got broke with Fastenal. A couple extra holes drilled. Need some body work. This is going to be my restoration project, and what I like to do is I like to get a tractor running and driving, get all the mechanicals 100%, and then I like to blow it apart, replace seals, rebuild engines, anything and everything that it needs to be a restoration. I do not consider repainting a tractor a restoration. It's just a repaint. The reason why I have this porter cable is I have two Massey Ferguson executives, motor mower, a few motor mowers. So porter cable was on the list, and I need a Montgomery Ward's Aristocat. This is one of my executives. This was an eBay find. I paid like $390 for it. Stole it. Had big tires on it. We put narrow tires on it. It's got brand new Goodyear Ags on it. So that's a couple of bucks. They did a bad repaint. It's got a ton of new parts put on it. They just did a bad job painting it. But I'm not going to touch it because they all can't be winners. But yeah, it's not a bad looking tractor. So yeah, this is back to this one. This one's gonna be my restoration project. I quit Facebook. If you people know me on Facebook. Too many bad people. People trying to rip you off. People trying to take your money, not send you your tractors that you bought. So I'm just giving Facebook a break. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to restore this tractor, and I am going to start doing more YouTube videos on tractor restorations and what I enjoy doing. So my goal today is put new transmission in it, put new steering wheel on it, and figure out some of the steering, because that doesn't work for me. Probably take the wheel weights off, because I want to put that on the Massey because it's correct, and it's a correct engine for this tractor, so it's going to go on the bench after I get it running and cleaned up and blasted and painted and all beautiful. It's going to get an automotive paint job, decals. I work for a piano restoration company, so I can get anything I wanted chrome or nickeled, so anything that needs to be chrome and nickeled is going to get done. Tractor restorations are not cheap. You know, tires alone, you're going to be out $300. If you get good tires, you can get the Chinese knockoffs, the Duros and whatnot, for a complete set for $150, $200. But if you're going to do it, and you're going to do it right, just pony up, pay for it, and you're going to enjoy it more. So I want to post another video later today of the new transmission in, steering wheel installed, and see if I can get it to spark. There you go.